Now let's start session number 3. The name of the session is Work with Slides. Means how we can work with slides, because all of you know that different layouts are there. So with the help of different layouts, we can create different slides. Now let's start. I'm going to open Impress. This one is our Impress screen. Now start from the topic 1, that is inserting a duplicate slide. Suppose I'm going to first delete this slide. Inserting a duplicate slide means, my dear students, suppose this is my one slide and I want to create a duplicate copy of this slide. Then how we can do? Click on the slide pane, select the slide, then right click here. Then you will see option there, duplicate slide. Click on it. Now you can see this is slide 1, this is slide 2. Means you generate a duplicate copy of the slide. Next topic is here, inserting a new slide. How you can insert a new slide? You can right click here. There you will find option new slide. Click on it. Even you can also use the shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus M. I click on it. Now blank slide here. You can choose the layout for the blank slide. In next topic, they are saying adding the slide layout. Suppose I want to show in this way. Clear? Here I write input and output devices. In this box, I am going to write input devices. That is your keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick. Clear? In this book, suppose I want to write output devices like your monitor, speaker, and your printer. Clear? In this way, we can select the slide layout from here and then fill the content. According to our content, we will select the layout from here. Next one is here, copying and moving slide. Copying means, my dear students, suppose that I also want to generate one copy of this slide. How you can do? Right click here. You will see copy, and suppose on first slide I want to paste here. Select the slide, then click on paste. Now you can see this slide appear on the second number. Now they are saying that moving the slide. Moving means, my dear students, change the position of the slide. Suppose मेरी first slide ये है, second ये है, third ये है, fourth ये है. मुझे क्या करना है? जो fourth slide है मुझे वो first बनानी है. Then how you can do? Click on that and then left click of the mouse and then move like this and drop here. Suppose this is my slide number 4 and I want to set this slide as a slide number 1. Then I can move in this way. Suppose this is slide number 1 and I want to move this slide on last position. We can move like this here and then drop here. Clear? In this way you can move the slide. Next is here, deleting and renaming slides in presentation. Suppose that this is my one slide and I want to delete this slide, then how we can do? Right click here, then you will see option delete slide. Then I click on this, you can see your selected slide deleted. Clear how to delete the slide? Next is here, copying, moving and deleting content of slides. Suppose that beta ye content hai. Now I want to copy the content. Next topic is here, renaming a slide. Suppose that I want to rename this slide. Right click here. then you will see option rename slide. In place of slide 3, suppose that I want to set the name as hello. I just click on it. Now whenever we hover the mouse here, it shows the name here hello. On this it shows slide 2, it shows slide 1. But on this it shows the name hello because we rename this slide. Next is here enter text into auto layout text boxes. Means these are the text boxes and how we can enter the text. Suppose I want this slide layout. I want to create a new slide here. I want to create new slide here and I want to select the layout this. Select the layout and then write down your content here. Just click on it and then write down the content. Suppose here I write, hello, how are you? Yeah, here I am right. I am fine. I am okay. I am good. Anything you can write down here? Clear? In this way, you can write down the text into your slide. And even you want to copy and paste this text, you can also do. Select the text. Suppose here I want to select the text. Right click here, copy, and suppose here I want to paste the text. Enter Control V, or even you can use the right click and then paste. I am good. I am fine. Clear? In this way, you can copy and paste the text. Next is here, view of the presentation. Yes, my dear students, different views are here for presentation. Then how we can see that views? Click on view. Here, click on tools bar, view and then toolbar. View option is here. You can see different views are here like normal view. This is normal view. When you click on outline view, it show your content like this. If you click on notes view, it will show your content in the form of notes. And if you click on slide sorter view, it creates a small miniature of your slides like this. And then these four views are here: normal view, outline view, notes view, and the slide sorter view. These are the different views. Now let's again set all slides in normal view.